Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your iPad has the latest iOS and enough storage. Updates fix many Wi-Fi bugs. Next, tap Settings, then Wi-Fi, toggle it off and on to force a fresh scan. Once done, select your network and re-enter the password because cached credentials often fail. If that doesn't help, power cycle the iPad and router. Wait 30 seconds before turning the router back on so DHCP leases refresh. Now you dig deeper. Go to Settings, right arrow Wi-Fi, tap the info icon and choose Forget this network. Then reconnect to clear corrupted profiles. If multiple networks fail, reset network settings to remove every saved configuration. This restores defaults but keeps your apps. Make sure the iPad's IP and DHCP settings match the router's subnet and disable manual proxies because mismatched addresses or a stray proxy often block connectivity. Finish by optimizing the environment. Check your router's firmware and change to a less crowded channel or switch to 5 GHz for better throughput. Move the iPad nearer to the router and remove interference sources like microwaves or thick walls because signal strength matters. If problems persist, reboot the modem and, if necessary, contact your ISP to verify line status and provisioning. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, try a different network or hotspot to determine whether the iPad or the network is at fault.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.